Hello everyone. Let's begin with the third video of the chapter How the State Government Works. Till now, in this chapter, we discussed the story of Patalpuram, that is a district where people were facing water issues. They were not receiving water. They have to they have to cover a large distance to get the water. Also, they used to receive very unclean water. People were suffering from disease like diarrhea because of those unclean water, and so they all were protesting. They all have taken out rally against the MLA. So, who is an MLA? An MLA is an elected representative by the people, whom the people elects through the vote, and an MLA is responsible to take care of the constituency of that state from where he has been elected. And in today's video, we will see how a debate in the Legislative Assembly takes place. So, a Legislative Assembly, you all know, is Vidhan Sabha, and this is how in the image you can see a Legislative Assembly looks like. So, the people sitting over there are MLAs, MLAs from both the ruling party as well as the opposition party, that is the majority party and the opposition party. And over here the debate and discussions takes place on various issues. People express their opinions, ask questions and give suggestions. Over here the topic of this debate and discussion is shortage of water and health issue in the state. So, in the debate, the first MLA said, "In my constituency of Akhand during the last 3 weeks, there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea. I think it is a shame that this government has not been able to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea while proclaiming itself to be the champion of technology. I would call the attention of the minister in charge of health to take immediate measures to control the situation." So, here the MLA is raising his problem of the constituency, the problem that is being faced in his constituency of Akhand of the diarrhea disease, and how still the government has not taken any action. The health minister is responsible in this case and he should do something. When they says that it we are techno savvy and government is doing something, so an attention is required in the area of Akhand to control the situation, and this was the responsibility to be taken care by the health minister. Then the second MLA says, "My question is, why are government hospitals in such a bad situation? Why is the government not appointing proper doctors and the medical staff in the district? I would also like to know how the government plans to deal with the situation which is affecting a large number of people and is also spreading. This is an epidemic." So the second MLA has raised questions towards the present situation of the hospital of the area. There are no good doctors, and the situation is worst in that area, which needs to be taken care, as the disease has become an epidemic which is spreading to a large people of the area. Then the third MLA says, "My constituency of Tolpatti too has a serious shortage of water. Women travel up to 3 to 4 kilometers to collect water. How many tankers have been put into service to supply water? How many wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected?" was the question raised by third MLA, stating that in his constituency of Tolpatti, women are facing water shortage and they have to travel long distances to collect the water, around 3 to 4 kilometer. So has the government supplied water? Has they prepared or has they made any wells and ponds to get them, provide them clean water, disinfected water, or what are the steps taken by the government in this case? Here, the fourth MLA says that I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken steps to control the situation. Water tankers have been put into service. ORS packets are also being distributed. And the government is doing everything possible to help the people. So the fifth MLA says we have very poor facilities in our hospitals. There are hospitals that do not have a doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for the last few years. This is a shame. I think the situation is going from bad to worse. How are we going to ensure that ORS packets reach all families in the affected areas? It was a concern as well as a problem that was raised by the fifth MLA, that we are not sure if this step has been taken by the government that is actually working. Actually, the ORS packets are being made available to all the people. Also, the medical service of the area is very poor, which needs to be improved by appointing doctors, which hasn't taken place for from a long period of time. Then the sixth MLA says the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. The previous government has not paid any attention to sanitation. We have not taken up a drive to clear the garbage, and that has been lying around for years. So it means that the MLA of the ruling party, uh, that is the sixth MLA, is answering the questions to the opposition party who is raising the problems, who were raising the problems till now, and telling what the steps has been taken by this government which was earlier not taken, how they have maintained cleanliness around the area, with how sanitation has been improved, garbage has been cleared around the area which was lying for long years. In today's video, we saw that how the opposition party MLA raised problem and tells the problem of this constituency, the steps that has been not taken by the government, whereas the ruling party MLA answers them and says the steps they have taken towards the state, for the public, for the people, and what work they have done till date. And this is how the debate and discussion takes place in the assembly. That is all for today. Thank you.